Good morning, mga kamamshis. Good day, good evening. Look at our view. We're in Carquines Bridge on our way to our weekend's getaway with, again, my Uber driver. Sis Josie. There, look at the beach, guys. Oh, ganda ng araw, sisi.
It's gonna be hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot. Namula na nga yung mata ko. I mean, mukha ko.
81, but there it's gonna be 100.
So, drive lang kami, guys. Dadaan kami ng Seafood City kung saan nandoon ang Valerios, yung cheese bread na gustong-gusto ni Thea. Then, we're gonna get some Jollibee for dinner. Bukas na yung iba doon sa restaurant. May restaurant naman doon sa swimming pool. Alright, thank you, Sisi Josie. Diba? Taray ng driver ko, guys. Mas maliit pa yan sa akin. Mas maliit pa yan sa akin, pero ang taray, ang layo ng ma-drive niya. I'm jealous. Pag magka-van kami, mag-drive na ako ng malayo. Yeah. Oo. Kasi iba yung van, parang confident ka ba? Oo, mas safer. Naghihintay ako ng susi namin kasi naka-check in na kami kanina, hindi pa ready yung room. Kahit VIP, naka pa rin pila. Grabe yung pila pag Sunday, ang hahaba. Buti na lang, medyo mababa na yung naabutan namin kanina. Buti na una sila kates. Okay, so naka-check in na kami. Dalawang susi, one for me, one for Sis Josie. Babalik tayo sa swimming pool area. Nandoon yung mga bata. Kinuha ko lang yung dalawang susi namin sa room, guys. At nang makapasok na yung mga gamit namin at mga pagkain, super haba yung pila. Okay, balik tayo sa pool area. Nandoon yung mga bata. Nandun sila kate naghintay. I mean, Sis Josie. Siyang naiwan sa mga bata kasi nag-check-in muna ako. I mean, nagkuha sa susi. So, itap lang natin to at na makapasok. There you go. Nag-click siya. So, meaning, nakapasok. Hanapin ko Sis Josie at mga bata. Balik tayo doon. Okay, konting tour sa swimming pool. Ay, dito sila. Ayan na yung bulinggit ko. Super enjoy siya. Nasaan yung mga bata, sis? Nandun. Inalis niya? Okay. At least nandun silang tatlo.
Kunin natin gamit. Punta pa tayo room.
Yeah, kasi yung mga pagkain natin. Pwede rin. Ikaw na lang, yung pagkain muna ang ipasok mo.
Sige. Punta na yung room.
May tag-isa tayong susi, sis. Kasi pag bitbitin natin to lahat, maraming trabaho na.
Dito mo lang sila, bante.
Pagdarating natin naman. Yeah. Sa'yo yan.
Anong room?
Ito, dalhin mo. Yan, 1106.
1106. We're on the 11th floor?
I don't know. 1106 daw. So, 11th floor.
Oh my gosh.
Yung pagkain na lang muna.
Sige. Alam ko na.
Depende kung kaya mong dalhin yung stroller, nyo. Yeah. Dito ka lang. So yan lang muna, guys, kasi baka ayaw ng camera yung mga tao dito, no? So ito ang weekend getaway natin. Alright? Kukunin na ni Sis Josie yung mga pagkain namin kasi may Jollibee kami sa sasakyan. Iakyat lang niya sa room since may hotel room na kami. Kanina kasi nilinis pa, pero naka-check-in na kami kanina pa. Okay. All right. Okay, go sit down there. No, mommy will stay here. It's more shady here. No, somebody used the towel. Oh, taray ni Dunya Taya. Naka-relax guys, oh. Sila Easy and Patrick andyan. Nasaan na yung dalawa? Easy, where's Patrick? Where's Patrick?
Why are you asking me? I don't have my glasses with me.
Oh, he's over there. Okay guys, kakain muna kami. Pakainin muna to ng dinner. Nagdala kami ng Jollibee chicken. O, balik lang tayo dito. We have to eat first. Nandoon yung pool. Nandoon yung bar nila guys. Okay, tara, let's go eat. Okay, tara, Fry. Let's go.
You need a pose or in an elevator.
Guys, nakapag-swimming na yung mga tao. Okay, sis Jo, hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Mga kids, don't include, only mommies.
Good, because I'm way too tired.
Okay, hurry up, baby. We're going into the room. Late yung mga bagahe namin na pasok kasi pag check-in namin kanina, walang bakante pang room. Nililinis pa yung gusto namin kasi gusto namin magtabi sa room ni Cathy at room namin. Hurry up, Freya. Oh, daming bit-bit si Mami. May bag pa dito. Oh, diba? Anak pa more. Okay, come here. Anak pa more. Wow. Welcome in. Thank you, Sisi. Wow. Hurry up, Free. Go, go, go. Let's go. Wow. Okay. Wow, so fancy daw, guys. Okay.
Well, there's also some seats and beds.
Oh, dito kami, Sisi. Tingnan natin yung baba, guys. Nasa 11th floor tayo ngayon. Nasa northwest area kami. Yeah, we're so high up, huh? Yeah, we're gonna eat first. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Everybody's hungry. My gosh. Swimming pa more. Anak pa more. Are you gonna change now or you gonna eat first? We gonna eat? Okay. So yan ang rooms nila, guys. O diba? I-on natin ang mga lights para naka-on na to lahat.
Oh, and there's also a TV.
Yeah, there's also a TV. Okay, kain na. Wow. So may pa-feedback review sila mamaya, guys. Mag-review ka dito, Sisi. Mag-review tayo, sis. Ang tagal ng room. Kaya nag-swimming muna yung mga bata, guys. Kasi ang tagal ng na-ready yung room. Nililinis pa nila. Thank you, Sisi. Nag-enjoy na yung mga bata. So, ito yung naku, yung sauce mo. Sisi.
Inside the house.
Inside the house. Remove this one first. We're gonna eat first.
There's water, but no water.
Hala, Fry, remove your shoes, babe. Baka masira to. Makabayad tayo. I-remove yan. Don't put your shoes there. Okay, guys. Kakain lang tayo ng Jollibee, no?
Mom, can I take off my blouse as well?
No, it's okay. You don't need.
No!
Okay, I'll get your towel. Do you wanna go swim again or no?
No.
No more swimming?
No.
Mamaya, no.
Okay, Tay, let's go in. So yan na, nakakain na. Nag-siesta na siya. Alas 7 na guys, pero maliwanag pa sa labas.
Baskets, but now it was here.
So Thea is changing. Sis Josie and the kids are downstairs. They're getting their dinner. Kumain na kami ng Jollibee. The Jollibee spaghetti. Nag-enjoy sila swimming. So good.
9, 10.
Ready?
Yes. Mom, how big am I?
Here, I'll just make them little stubs because
Sorry. Are these cherry farms or strawberry? I don't know. I mean grapes. Grapes